Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Millionaire Youth. Today we will discuss about the international business Green Astral. This business is verified by smart contract on Tron's blockchain and is based on a 100% decentralized concept. The creator of this business is Mr. Praneeth Roy sir, who is a software engineer. And this business started through God of Green Astral, Mr. Mayur Prajapati sir, who belongs to Jaipur, Rajasthan, the land of India. The project of Green Astral was deployed on Tron's blockchain on 29 April 2021 and is successfully running today. Green Astral's project is dollar-based and its product is Tron Coin TRX. You can earn unlimited Tron coin from here. Now know about the income part of Green Astral. There are 4 types of income in Green Astral's project. The first income is referral income. In this business, ID registration is from $30, of which you get 95% of which means an income of $28.5 from one registration. You can register unlimited people. The second income is sponsor income. Green Astral plans are of 8 levels. When a person joins Green Astral, then he has to upgrade the level and move forward, so that he can go to the next level and also take other income of this level. So during this time, when the join member upgrades his level from $40, $60, $200, $500, $4,000, $16,000, $1 lakh, then half of it means 50% goes to his sponsor. For example, if Amar has joined Arun, then here Amar is Arun's sponsor. And when Arun upgrades the level for his income, then 50% of the level will go to Amar, which is about $57,380. This income is by excluding the 5% admin charge. The third income is placement applying income. There is a structure of 8 levels in this business, which follows the principle of binary matrix of 2 by 8, and all the IDs entered are auto-filled in the sequence of top to bottom, left to right, which makes this structure very special. And by forming a team under each other, everyone gets income from placement. In this 8-level structure, placement income is 50%, which is the largest distribution in networking till date. The person under whom the team is being formed can take 50% placement income of each level, which is approximately 1,32,63,824. The fourth income is global community income. The global community structure of this business makes it very special from other businesses because the global community is such a structure where there is no upline downline, no left right or cross line. Rather, the entire system becomes one and everyone in the whole world, a person gets the benefits of everyone's work. The structure of the global community follows the principle of 3 by 9 hybrid matrix. And it gives huge back support to every person. This back support is worth about $40 lakh plus, which is available in the form of Smart Matrix, Silver Matrix, Gold Matrix, Royal Matrix, Diamond Matrix and Crown Matrix respectively. The income of every matrix comes into parts, first pool and second pool. In this way, every person who is a member of this community gets the entire income of the global community in 12 times. What makes Green Astral special? There are many reasons that make Green Astral's project very unique and special from other plans. Number 1. This business is a business of the changing era running on new technology, blockchain. Number 2. This business is 100% digital. Number 3. This business is 100% transparent. You can see every transaction on Tronscan. Number 4. This business is 100% decentralized, meaning no owner, no admin, no back office. Number 5. This business is verified with smart contract, due to which this plan can neither be changed nor stopped. Number 6. There is no human control on this business, due to which it runs on self-execution mode. Number 7. Its product is Troncoin, which is one of the most popular cryptocurrency and a very big brand. Number 8. The calculation of this business is dollar base, due to which whether the rate of Tron is increasing or decreasing, the profit remains stable and no one suffers any loss. Number 9. Here closing is instant, you can withdraw your income from anywhere. From any exchanger in the world. Number 10. This business distributes 100% immediately, 5% admin charge and 95% among the people. There is no holding anything here. Number 11. Whatever profit is made in this, you immediately get it in your pocket in decentralized wallet like Token Pocket, Tronlink Pro. Number 12. Due to P2P distribution, the income goes to the person at that time. Number 13. Since its global community is on auto upgrade mode, no one gets out of this business. Number 14. Provides back support of 40 rupees crore plus in global community. Number 15. Re-entry after Crown Matrix. Re-entry makes this plan an infinite plan. Due to re-entry, no person gets out of this plan after taking the entire income of the community. Rather, he again goes from $100 to Smart Matrix. Meaning, the one who was upline till now becomes downline, and the one who was downline becomes upline. In this way the cycle starts again. And because of this there will never be any shortage of Crown. And this plan will continue from generation to generation. So friends, this was the plan of Green Astra. Please tell by commenting which part of this plan you like. Do subscribe our channel. See you in new video with new topic. Thanks till then.